Good morning, fellas. So I have got my E36 towed to USJ1 workshop. This is a body workshop. This is an update for my E36 that has crashed. So let's go see the car. Alright, so we have managed to cut open the hood because it was previously jammed. So engine looks not impacted, but everything on the front end is impacted. So first thing is, you can see the subframe is bent. In fact, even this side which is not impacted is bent slightly. Need to have adjustment. The wheel housing folded in, slightly torn off. We have noticed that the suspension has been moved inwards, so which means the control arm is bent. This thing doesn't look like it's in good position. Maybe the link may have been damaged. All this tie rod and anti-roll bar, we shall only know after we change the control arm and see how much of mismatch. I think I even noticed that the absorber rubber mount is even torn, and of course it has been shifted away. It's torn off. So aside from that, all the front nose part where it is the front frame, radiator, aircon condenser, even this, the bumper impact device is all bent, it's gone. A replacement is required. Auxiliary fan, electric fan, all the other frame parts, all damaged. So if any one of you has got parts to offer, as affordable as possible, nose cut, which includes the headlamp, bumpers, everything in the nose. I need everything in the nose, fender and hood, right? And if you got some like control arm that is in good condition, please hit me up with a message and try to offer me an affordable price. Thank you.